Hey, are you busy right now?
Not really. Why?
I need your help. Kind of urgently.
What happened?
So I am at the supermarket right now.
Okay, and?
I got to the checkout and my card did not work.
What do you mean it did not work?
It just did not work. The cashier is waiting for me.
How much do you need?
About $40.
$40?
I know, I am sorry. Can you come, please?
I am on my way. Do not move.
Please hurry. People are looking at me.
I will be there in 10 minutes. Just wait.
Thank you so much. I really owe you one.
You owe me more than one. Ha 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 ha.
Just hurry, please.
I am here. Are you okay?
Finally. Yes, I am okay. Just very embarrassed.
What happened to your card?
I think I forgot to add money to it this morning.
You forgot?
I was in a hurry this morning. It happens sometimes.
How long were you waiting here?
About 15 minutes?
15 minutes. Ha 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 ha.
Stop laughing. It was not funny at all.
I am sorry. Let me pay for everything.
Thank you. I will pay you back tonight, I promise.
It is okay. Do not worry about it.
No, no. I will definitely pay you back.
Okay, okay. Let me see what you bought.
Just normal things. Food for the week.
This is a lot of chocolate for just food for the week.
Chocolate is also food.
Ha 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 ha. Of course it is.
Are you going to pay or just comment on everything?
I am paying. I am paying. Ha ha ha. Hi, sorry about the wait.
No problem at all. It happens to everyone.
Thank you so much for being so patient.
Of course. Your total is $42, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you so much.
That was so embarrassing.
It really was not that bad.
Everyone was looking at me.
Nobody was really looking at you.
The man behind me was definitely looking at me.
He was probably just bored. Ha ha.
You are not helping right now.
Come on, let us go home. It is all over now.
I'm never coming to this supermarket again.
You will be back here next week. Ha 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 ha.
Probably. Ha ha ha. I still cannot believe that happened to me today.
It was not a big deal. Really, it was not.
It felt like a very big deal.
Everyone forgets their card sometimes. It is completely normal.
Have you ever forgotten your card?
Maybe once or twice.
Ha. See?
But I did not have to call someone to come and rescue me.
You did not rescue me. You just paid.
That is exactly what rescuing is. Ha 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 ha.
Fine. Thank you for rescuing me. Ha 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 ha.
Anytime. That is what I am here for.
Next time I will check my card before I leave the house.
That is a very good idea.
And next time you forget your card, I will not come.
You would absolutely come.
Maybe I would. Ha 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 ha.
You know what? Today was actually kind of funny.
Kind of funny?
Okay. Very funny. Ha 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 ha.
The look on your face at the checkout was priceless.
Stop it. Ha ha ha.
I wish I could have seen it.
You did not need to see it. I lived it. Ha ha ha.
Okay. Next time we go shopping, we go together.
That is actually a really good idea.
And we check the card before we leave.
Deal. No more supermarket disasters.
No more supermarket disasters. Ha 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 ha.
Hey, quick question for everyone watching right now.
Have you ever forgotten your card or your money somewhere?
Write your answer in the comments right now.
We want to know. Any answer is perfect.
Write it in English. Even one simple sentence is great.
And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like.
It really helps our channel so much.
And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe right now.
We make new English conversations every single week.
Completely free.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.